Just type one word in this box, click save right here, click make, then you will earn $25 to $30. You'll be able to do this repeatedly and earn money in any part of the world, but this needs to be set up correctly. And I'll explain exactly how you can do this in this step-by-step tutorial. It's free to create an account on this website, you won't have to spend any money at all, and you won't even need any writing skills. And if you'd prefer not to type anything yourself, you can just copy and paste that word instead. Alright, so this is the main website we'll be using for this strategy. This is the website where you will come and create simple videos with just one word. You'll just type one word here, and this website will create a professional, high-quality video for you. And I will show you how you can earn $25 to $30 for every video that you create. As you can see right here on this site, it says all your design tools in one place. And there's no need to worry because you don't have to be a professional editor to do this yourself, and you won't need any editing skills for this. You won't need a camera, show your face, or have to film anything. All you'll need to do is type in one word to get paid, and you can repeat this process over and over again. I'll show you exactly what you need to do and how you can get paid, so make sure you pay close attention. As it says right here, you will start growing your business by creating stunning videos, animations, branding, mockups, presentations, graphics, and professional websites. All it is one single word, and you can just do this repeatedly. So the name of this website is called renderforest.com. But don't go straight to the website quite yet because you will not know how to properly use it in order to make money by just typing one single word. Instead, make sure you follow every single step from this video I am showing you, so by the end you will know exactly what you need to do in order to make money with this method. So when you get to renderforest.com, I want you to type in your email here, then click here where it says Start Free Now, so you can sign up and create your free account. So if you hover your mouse over videos right here, it will show you all these different options of video types you can use. You can create animations, intros, slideshows, music visualizations, presentations, video editing, and more. There are so many different types of videos here that you can create, and they are all very professional looking videos. So there's one specific type of video that we'll be focusing on that will allow you to earn $25 to $30 per word you type, and that's going to be the intros category. So just click on that. So if we scroll down, we can see all of these professional templates we can choose from. So I'll just click on this one as an example. So in order to edit or customize it, you'll just need to click Create Now right here. So next you just have to click here, then click Add Text, and then type your one single word right here. And I will show you what will determine what that word will be later, but for now as an example, I'll just type money. Change the color by clicking here, and then choosing one that looks good to me, then maybe change the font by clicking here and choosing one I like, and then finally clicking done. After that, it'll start generating, and then you can click OK, thanks. Then up here, click preview, click fast preview, and that's it. Your video will begin being prepared for you to then download and sell this for $25 to $30 over and over again. And I will show you proof that this actually works because people are already making money with this strategy on a daily basis. So now we just need to wait for the video to be rendered. And as you saw, all I did was type one word, and now the video is being created. So now I'm going to show you how you can make money with this through an additional platform. But before I do, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So the next website I want you to go to is one called peopleperhour.com. This website is very similar to Fiverr.com in that it's a freelance website where millions of ordinary people will come on here to sell their services regularly. So there are everyday ordinary people like me and you who will come on here and sell their services to business owners and entrepreneurs. You can see that they have partnerships with some massive companies like BBC, Forbes, Business Insider, The Independent, and the Financial Times. And this is just one of so many different freelancing websites that you can use. But the reason I am recommending you use peopleperhour.com instead of Fiverr is because this website isn't nearly as competitive as Fiverr is. Fiverr is one of the largest and most popular freelance websites in the world. There are literally hundreds of thousands of people providing the same service on here. But on smaller freelancing websites like People Per Hour, there aren't the same people providing those services, but there is still high demand. In other words, there are many buyers, but not many sellers. This means this is ideal for complete beginners. This means that you can sign up for an account on this website and get loads of sales potentially without being an established seller. So if you search intros on this website, you'll be able to see that there are people who are providing these services. There aren't a ton of people providing this particular service, but the people who are already making pretty good money. You can see that these people are pricing it at around $25 or $30 and are getting hundreds of reviews, which is the minimum number of sales they've made. You can do this exact same thing just by typing one word on RenderForest, then selling it to people here on People Per Hour. And like I mentioned previously, this is just one out of many different freelancing platforms you can use to sell your intros. Another good website you can use is Behance.com, and you can search for intros again and see that there are other freelancers providing the same service. So in order to find as many freelance websites as you'd like, simply just do a Google search by typing something like best freelance websites and choose from a variety of different articles that include links to a bunch of different freelance websites. You could also choose to use Fiverr if you'd like to maximize your results. It's totally free to publish your gig, so it can't hurt to at least try on here. If you get some sales, then that's awesome. If not, that's totally fine because there are so many other freelancing websites you can choose from. So I would say that Fiverr is worth a try because if your service does take off, you can potentially make a lot of money. As you can see here, there are people who are pricing this service higher and are making hundreds and sometimes thousands of sales. But again, I do recommend that you place most of your energy and focus into these other freelancing websites. So when you post your gig on People Per Hour or any other freelance website and you get someone to purchase your gig, they'll just tell you what that one word is, in which you will just type that into your template on renderforest.com. And when your video is done rendering, you'll be able to download it to your computer, then just send it to your customer. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click this video right here.